Justin, it's finally October 27th. It's truly impossible to put into words to describe how I feel today.
I can honestly say today has been the best and most memorable day of my life.
Sunlight comes creeping in, illuminates our skin. We watch the day go by, stories of what we did. It made me think of you, it made me think of you.
I promise to love you, cherish you unconditionally, and to always be there for support and comfort, especially when you're stressing out. I promise to support and encourage, and I can without a doubt say that meeting you has been the best thing that's ever happened to me.
I will strive to make you happy every single day. You are without a doubt my very best friend, my soulmate, and I can't wait to see what the world has in store with us. I believe we met because we were supposed to, and we fell in love because we were meant for each other, and I've never been more sure when I say we're meant to be. No matter what life throws at us, the good, the bad, and the ugly, we will face it together. I vow to stand with you by your side, to be true and loyal to you for every day of the rest of our lives. I did, I do, and I always will choose you.
You know you're in love when you can't fall asleep because reality is finally better than your dreams. I spent the last 5 years getting to know Justin, and I want you to know that we love you and we are really excited for you to be a part of our family. Love is a friendship that has caught fire. May your love burn bright for years to come. Here's to my best friend and her new best friend.
If these wings could fly